guys, back with another video. So today I got the car warming up. The family's gonna roll down to Victorville with me to go to LKQ to see if I get this diff off this Q45. The car just got there on the 31st of December, so yeah, so we want to see if it's still intact, and if it is, I'm gonna snatch that diff. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get on the road and get back. Alright, so we're here at the junkyard. A couple of little jumpsuit on, I'll get dirty. I found the Q45, so let's see if it's a 5-spindle or 6-spindle. Alright, so the output shaft is a 5-spindle, so we're good. So I'm gonna start taking this thing apart and let's get this thing home. Here she is. Got her out. Look just like mine. The flanges are different, so I had to get like a J30 axles to work in my car. I need new axles anyway, and I think this flange is a lot bigger than mine. So usually what they'll do is drill 4 new holes, but yeah, we'll figure out when we get home. Alright, so we're back at the house. This is about 3, maybe 4 days later. So, a couple things. I dropped my diff off at my brother's house, and him and his buddy Gabe, they went to his house and they welded the diff up for me. So, the VLSD is now welded. I will put their video link right here, or maybe down in the description box. I'm not sure yet. So, a couple things. I put the S13 cover onto the Q45 diff so it could bolt up in the car. I got new axles. I got J30 from a 93. 93 J30 axles. I read a bunch of forums. They said that will bolt right up to the S13. Hopefully it does, because if it doesn't, man. Yeah, let me show you my old diff and how you weld a VLSD. So this is my old diff. So for a VLSD, you want to weld this hole, the gears in that hole, and these little slits. And then you just keep doing it all the way around. I'm not sure. It might be 3 or 4 different spots of each. And then this was the new valve cover. Not valve cover. So this was the new diff cover, but this doesn't bolt up in my car. So I had to switch it from my S13. And then here are the new axles. Also, I almost forgot. I had to drill 4 new holes where the dry shaft goes. I think it's called the yoke. I had to drill into the yoke. So let me show you guys that. So this is the yoke. I had to drill these 4 new holes. So I grabbed the dry shaft, put it here. It should center with this thing, the center hole. And then I just moved it to in between both of these existing holes. C-clamped them down diagonal, whatever. C-clamped them in 2 spots, drilled 2 holes, put bolts in it, and I removed the C-clamps and drilled the other 2. So it's pretty straightforward, it's pretty easy. So the only thing left is to take the old axles out the car, put the new ones in, put the diff up, and bolt everything back up together. So let's get started. These are the old axles. And dude, look at that. That for sure would have blown. Dang, dude, got cold like in the last hour. So take it for a test drive, see if I fix it, and we'll go from there. Alright, let's go. I think it's fixed. I can already feel the difference. Sheesh. Sorry for the noisy. I don't have my shift boot insulation on. Yo, we're back at the house. I'm not gonna lie, the car feels way better. It actually slides way better. And I noticed from, like, say you come to a red light and you gotta try to creep off from the red light, it used to make like a bunch of like clunking sound. Now it hardly makes any sound. So I think my old diff, my old VLSD was already blown before I welded it. That's crazy, because that thing's been welded for like 2 years and I've been sliding on it. But yeah, so hopefully this diff holds up. If it doesn't, I'll probably just go 2-way LSD or 1.5. Well, yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Tune into the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're just following the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time.